got a special brand new firework from Winda Fireworks. And who better to help us show this off, who is also the next ranch over from BBQ Rando, is Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
Say hello. There he is, Sergeant Pyro. What's this mean-looking guy we got tonight?
Bad Cactus.
Whoa, a little bit of an attitude there. You know what? Some people would call him a prick. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead here. Let's show you what this looks like. There we go. So we're gonna flip it. There we go. Oh, look at this. This is pretty cool. So we're gonna see here the colors look like a greenish black. 55 seconds. Noise level, Sergeant Pyro, 8 out of 10. That's not too bad.
Nice.
Now let's see if there's a, here's the, I was going to say the wick. What is this, a candle? All right, there's the fuse. All right, we're moving. Performance. All right, now I don't know if you could all read that there, but I'll read it for you. It says titanium red with green flames, silver swimming serpents with green tadpoles. Well, I know, right? Apricot, gold, and silver crystals with green pearls, bright green colors. What? All right, we got all that stuff there. If you want to look at the video, you could do that. So we are ready to head out to the street pad. Are you ready, Sergeant Pyro?
Yes.
We got a little attitude here with this guy.
Arr.
There we go. We'll see you in a few. All right, Sergeant Pyro, let's light this Bad Cactus. See what kind of attitude this guy's got. Whoa. Pretty green, isn't it?
It sure is.
It's not easy being green.
Not very noisy yet.
Yeah, we're waiting for that 8 out of 10. Whoa! Whoa! That is so cool. That is so cool. Wow! I'd say he was pretty bad. Bad Cactus. BBQ.